Hi, today we'll be reviewing the Mophie Juice Pack Access for iPhone X in black. Let's get started. Mophie's Juice Pack Access takes a step forward in the evolution of battery cases by incorporating wireless Qi charging under the surface. The Access simply works by inserting your phone into the case, holding down the back power button, and automatically charging your phone wirelessly through the induction charger built in. The exterior housing of the case is durable with rubberized matte finish along with raised supports on the edges to keep your phone from screen cracks and dings. The surface is smooth with a back battery housing that slightly protrudes. Overall, the build is excellent and will protect your phone in day-to-day activities. Keep in mind that the lightning port and speakers are exposed on the bottom of the case, making it accessible for wired earbuds to be plugged in. With a 2000 mAh battery, the Access will definitely last a good amount of time, depending on the activity rate of using your phone. I was personally able to get about 2 full charges on my phone, with no issues at all. To charge the case, you can place it on a wireless charging pad or use the included USB-C cable to the port located under the bottom of the case. In conclusion, the Mophie Juice Pack Access for the iPhone X is an easy-to-use, seamless case for those looking for prolonged battery life on their phones. The durable, high-quality build, along with the convenience of wireless charging, makes this case the best in market for its category. The Juice Pack Access for the iPhone X is available now in a variety of colors and can be purchased on brandswalk.com. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to see a specific product reviewed for future content, please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.